Desime Purushkar, if you can please come on the dais as early as possible. Requesting both the teams, if they can please gather up in front of the pandal for a presentation ceremony. Both the teams, CKC Adpai and Isha Adventures Vasco. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to post-tournament presentation ceremony of this 4th All Goa Panchayat and Municipality level tennis cricket tournament organized by Bhumika 11 Kandka. Firstly, we would like to thank all the sponsors: Shivani Developers, Daniel Lobo, Sunny Nanodkar, Sidvi Mandrekar, Dviti Aute, Tashvi Kalangutkar, Sanvi Salgaonkar, Saransime Purushkar, Mayank Porob, Mohan Dabare, Digambar Kalangutkar, Vasudev Manoj Korgaonkar, Nicole Marquez, Sagar Lingudkar, Niharika Mandrekar, Sudesh Madhukar Parsekar, Dr. Sheikh, Ved Chemist, Chatim Constructions, Durgesh Karapurkar, Trophy House, Vicky Saraf, Midask India Private Limited, Vanita Residency, JR High Sky Hotel and Resort. Big round of applause to all the sponsors. Today in the presentation party, we have Shri Shivshankar Mahekar, proprietor Shivani Developers, Shri Gajanan Parab, Shri Vikas Naik, Shri Pandari Nirlikar, Shri Prakash Kamri, Shri Anil Gadekar, Shri Gaurish Parab, Shri Girish Arundekar, and Shri Ajay Salgaonkar. Firstly, we would like Shri Shivshankar Mahekar to say a few words on this occasion.
सगळ्यांक नमस्कार. भूमिका 11 4th All Goa Panchayat and Municipality Level Cricket Tournament 2024. खरं म्हटल्यार सगळ्यांचे ज्या टिमीने या टुर्नामेंटावर पार्टिसिपेट केले त्यांचे सगळ्यांचे हार्दिक स्वागत करता. आणि हांव फक्त फायनलीच्या खेळाक पावलो, पण फायनलीचो खेळ पळयतना मातशे फायनलीचो खेळ एक वन सायडेड कसो जालो. कारण 66 रन्स इन 8 ओवर्स म्हटल्यार मातसो कमी आसलो स्कोर. एटलीस्ट आनीक 20 रन्स जर वाडलेले जाल्यार बऱ्यापैकी आनी एक बऱ्यापैकी एक फायनल पळोवपाक मेळटली आसतली. पण तरी आसतना नो प्रॉब्लम, आडपयकारांनी बऱ्यापैकी इतलो लो स्कोर आसतना सुद्दां झुंज दिल्ली आसा. आनी येणाऱ्या खंयचेय पार्टिसिपेट करता तेन्ना तांकां परत एकदा एक बऱ्यापैकी शुभेच्छा दिता. आमचे वास्कोचे जे प्लेयर्स आसात तेंच्यांनी बऱ्यापैकी सुरवातीक रन रेट दवरलेली अशें दिसतालें की एक 5 ओव्हरीनूच गेम सोंपतली म्हणून पण तरी आसतना खुबशी बरीपैकी टफ बॉलिंग जाली आनी शेवटी वास्कोकार विजयी जाले. म्हाका शिवोले सेंट एंटनीच्या ग्राउंडार आनी एक टोर्नामेंट आसा फायनलीचोच खेळ हा म्हजो स्पॉन्सर्ड आहा थंय त्यामुळे हांव जास्त वेळ घेना. हांव सगळ्यांचे परत एकदां अभिनंदन करता आनी जी म्हाजी स्पॉन्सरशीप ह्या वर्सा आसा ही स्पॉन्सरशीप वील कंटिन्यू फॉर नेक्स्ट टोर्नामेंट. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Thank you, sir, for those very encouraging and cunning words. Now I would like Kavish to please welcome all the guests. Kavish, if you can please. We'd like to welcome Shri Gajanan Porab. Shri Gajanan Porab. A big round of applause. Followed by Shri Vikas Naik. Next up we have Shri Pandari Nirlikar. Shri Prakash Kamri. Shri Anil Gadekar. Shri Girish Arundekar. Shri Ajay Salgaonkar. And lastly, our chief guest, Shri Shiv Shankar Mayekar, proprietor of Shivani Developers. Requesting Gaurish Porab to hand over the memento and token to our chief guest. As our chief guest is having another tournament to go, I would like him to hand over the runners-up trophy and the winners trophy. Runners-up, CKC Adpa, if you can please come. The skipper, if they can please come. Skipper, please come. Yes, Vijay, Ajay, all can come. A quick photograph with the guest, and then again we'll have the ceremony. Please don't worry. We'll have a quick photograph with the guest, with the trophy. Okay, only captain can receive. Rest of the teams can come later. Let it be. Runners up, CKC Adpai of this tournament, and also getting 50,000. Trophy sponsored by Durgesh Karapurkar in the loving memory of late Srimati Sundarbai Govind Karapurkar. Thank you. Next up, the winners. All can come and please stand in front. We'll have a quick photograph. Winners of this tournament, Isha Adventures Vasco. 1 lakh plus trophy that is sponsored by Durgesh Karapurkar in the loving memory of late Srimati Sundarbai Govind Karapurkar. Yes, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your time felt. I know you have a busy schedule. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Next up, firstly, we would like to acknowledge the efforts of people who work tirelessly behind the curtains. Officials, Vaman Mayekar, followed by Shiv Sharan Dabolkar, Babu Dabolkar, Rajesh Signapurkar. We'll be getting this from, getting the memento from Shri Gajanan Parab. Also requesting Shiv Sharan Dabolkar to take the acknowledgement of Rajesh Signapurkar as well. Babu, if you can come and take the token of appreciation of Rajesh Signapurkar, third official. Scorer followed by Pritesh Kamri. Pritesh Kamri, if he can come and collect his token of appreciation. Official scorer for this tournament. We'd like to request Sri Pandari Nirlikar to hand over the token of appreciation. Followed by all the 3 days YouTube streaming was done by tenniscricket.in, requesting the member of tenniscricket.in, anyone from the tenniscricket.in, if you can please come and collect the token of appreciation from the hands of Shri Anil Gadekar. Followed by official DJ Abhay Salgaonkar, to be getting the memento from Shri Girish Arondekar. Official DJ Abhay Salgaonkar. Followed by we had the sound system of Ketan Salgaonkar. Ketan Salgaonkar, if he is available. Requesting Atharva to take it on his behalf. Requesting Shri Ajay Salgaonkar to hand over the token of appreciation. Also requesting the decorator Siddesh Parab. Siddesh Parab, if you can come and collect your appreciation. Siddesh Parab. Siddesh Parab. Requesting Mahabreshwar Parab, Goresh Parab, to collect the memento on his behalf from the hands of Shri Vikas Naik. Also another decorator we had Shekhar Gadekar. Again requesting Shri Pandri Nirlikar to hand over the appreciation. Please come running. Please come quickly. Shri Shekhar Gadekar. Thank you. Next up we have commentator Ashok Naik, a senior most commentator, Radio Voice. I would like to request Shri Gajanan Parab to hand over the token of appreciation. Big round of applause for Ashok Naik. Thank you. Now we actually start with the prize distribution. First of all, we have the best fielder trophy sponsored by Sunny Nanodkar. It will be given by Shri Anil Gadekar to Vijay Halgekar, best fielder of the tournament. Some diving efforts, diving catches in this tournament. Live wire on the field. Requesting Shri Anil Gadekar to hand over the trophy. Best field of the final also is sponsored by the Durbat Sarpanch Chandan Naik. Again goes to Vijay. And also catch of the final sponsored by Sushant Naik and Chandan Naik to Vijay Halgekar. Also requesting Anil Gadekar to do the honors. Catch of the final also to Vijay Halgekar. Catch of Syed Badi. Brilliant catch that was, leaping in the air. Rightly so, he is the best fielder of the tournament. And now diving catch on the very first day. This trophy is sponsored by Shri Sunny Nanodkar. Brilliant catch. Best discipline team of the tournament to be presented by Girish Arundekar to Asgaon Cricketers. And this best discipline team trophy is sponsored by Trophy House Murgaon. Requesting Siddhesya Purushkar if he can come and collect the trophy on their behalf. They were on time. Match started at 9. They were here at 8:30. Very early in the morning. Best wicket keeper of the tournament. This will be presented by Shri Pandari Nillekar. Again, trophy sponsored by Shri Sunny Nanodkar. And it goes to Jivit Gadekar. Jivit Gadekar. Playing for Shri Dev Bodgeshwar in this tournament. Jivit Gadekar, best wicketkeeper of the tournament, to be presented by Shri Pandari Nillekar, and trophy sponsored by Sunny Nanodkar. Thank you. Next up we have highest wicket taker of this tournament. That goes to Satish Yadav, 10 wickets. Requesting Ajay Salgaonkar to hand over the trophy. Highest wicket taker. 10 wickets in this competition. 4 wickets in that semi-final. And also brilliant bit of bowling in the entire tournament. Moving on, we have the highest sixes of the tournament. It was raining sixes when Syed Badi came out to bat. Will be getting the trophy from Gajanan Parab. Syed Badi. 16 sixes in this tournament. You can remember yesterday that innings of 80 of just 22 deliveries. And he is also having his birthday today. Syed Badi, many congratulations, happy birthday to you. Next up we have the semi-finalist trophies to be sponsored by Vicky Pradeep Saraf to Team Boss Asnora, and cash prize of rupees 12,000 as well. Any member from Team Boss Asnora requesting Shri Anil Gadekar to hand over the trophy to Team Boss Asnora. Trophy sponsored by Shri Vicky Pradeep Saraf. Vicky Pradeep Saraf sponsoring the trophy to Team Boss Asnora. Next we have semi-finalist 2, that is Swami Samarth Usgaon, 12,000 plus trophy, again sponsored by Shri Vicky Pradeep Saraf. I would like to request Shri Pandrindra Likar to hand over the trophy. Best batsman of the tournament, trophy sponsored by Austin Cardoz, and also getting table fan to Syed Badi, 170 runs in the tournament. Big Badi getting some big awards. Trophy sponsored by Austin Cardoz, requesting Shri Prakash Kamri into this trophy as well as the table fan. And also cash prize of rupees 500, that is sponsored by Durbat Sarpanch Chandan Naik to Ajay Halgekar, best bowler of the tournament, 9 wickets, requesting Shri Vikas Naik to do the honors. He'll also be getting a table fan. Best bowler of the tournament, Ajay Halgekar. Similar kind of action to Jasprit Bumrah. Next we have the man of the final, trophy sponsored by Sunny Nanodkar, and we'd like to request Girish Arundekar to do the honors to Asif Zamadar. A catch and also 22 runs with the bat. Asif Zamadar from the Isha Adventures Vasco. Followed by we have the man of the series trophy sponsored by late Shweta Nillikar. He'll be getting a cooler as well in the scorching heat, and also it's raining. Man of the series is Pritam Sheth. And also will be getting rupees 500 from Shri Chandan Naik, Sarpanch Durbat. Pritam Sheth getting runs with the bat, also wickets, and also captaining the side, CKC Adpai. Requesting Shri Anil Gadekar to do the honors.
कॉमेंटेटर श्याम कलंगुटकर सर दत्ताराम साळगावकर श्याम कलंगुटकर जरा जोरदार तालियां श्याम के लिए सर दत्ताराम साळगावकर आप ही के हाथों से एक ट्रॉफी दी जाएगी थैंक यू धन्यवाद श्याम
We'd like to thank all the sponsors as well as all those who have contributed in making this tournament a grand success. Shivdat Munj, Kyanj, Kyash, Ravi Tople, Rai Sabali, Tapasri Amonkar, Misha, Suresh, Satish Gondalkar, Vishal Ghadi, Savi Salgaonkar, Tashvi Kalangutkar, Sidvi Mandrekar, we'd like to request Sanjay Salgaonkar, if he can please join. Sanjay Salgaonkar on the dais. Sanjay Salgaonkar.
तू तबे
Trophy that is sponsored by Durgesh Karapurkar in the loving memory of late Srimati Sundarbai Govind Karapurkar. Requesting all the guests if they can please stand up for a quick photograph. All the guests. Gachanan Parab, Vikas Naik, Pandri Nirlikar, Prakash Kamri, Anil Gadekar, Gaurish Parab, Girish Arondekar, Ajay Salgaonkar. Runners up in this fourth Bhumika 11 trophy, CKC Adpai. Requesting Shri Sanjay Salgaonkar if he can please come and collect his memento from Vikas Naik. Shri Vikas Naik will hand over a memento. Sanjay Salgaonkar. Shri Sanjay Salgaonkar, please take this token of appreciation on the behalf of from the Bhumika 11 Kanka. Thank you. Now the winners getting 1 lakh rupees plus trophy sponsored by Durgesh Karaburkar in the loving memory of late Srimati Sundarbai Govind Karaburkar. To the Isha Adventures Vasco, champions of this tournament. Presentation ceremony. And the champions of this competition, Isha Adventures Vasco. Many congratulations to you and thank you to all the guests for your time felt. Thank you very much.